All right, so we are doing the number of the day. We're doing number 150 today. I'm going to grab my tool and we'll get started. For the number 150, we have one group of 100. We have 5 tens. And we have 0 ones. 150. We have one group of 100. We have 5 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. Again, 1 in the hundreds. Remember, we start all of our numbers at the top. 5 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. We're going to sing our number 1 song. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. Oh, and you keep moving. Oh, and you keep moving. We'll all spell number 1. Remember, no rainbow ends, and that was a rainbow end starting at the top. Little line down, up to the middle, back down. O-N-E. 100. Big line down for the H. This little line down, back to, and down. Little line down, back to the bump, and down. D. There is a C in the D. Remember, I want you to write with me so that you see that we are starting all of our letters and our numbers starting at the top. Okay, we never start our letters or numbers from the bottom. Little line down, up, bump, over. R, R. The E is the only letter in the alphabet that does not start on a line. E, D, 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 D. There's a C in the letter D. 150. I. Oops. Big line down. Little line across. E. Little line down. Oops. Just wanted to grab that other letter. Little line down. Big line down. 150. For expanded form, remember we listen to what we hear. We hear 100 in 150, so we write 100 plus, what else do we hear? 150. We hear 50. 100 plus 50. Are there any ones in 150? No, there are 0 ones. We can leave it blank or we can write plus 0. And standard form is just the normal way to write it. 150. 150. All right. So now I'm going to let you guys do your maze on your own. We have part, whole. Remember that a part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is a whole, or the total. A part plus a part is a whole. A part plus a part is a whole. So I know I have 2 as one of my parts. So I'm going to write this. 2 is one of my parts. And I know 2 plus my other part. Oops. Okay. 2 plus the other part, which I don't know. That's my missing part, right? So a part plus a part is the whole or the total, okay? So if I have 2 and I want to get up to 11, 2 and my whole is 11. Okay, so I have 11 and I know that I can count on from 2 up to 11 to get my missing part. So I'm going to draw dots for that. 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, new line, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what was my missing part? 9. Good job. So 2 plus 9 is 11. And it's not going to remember that for me. All right. So if I had, what happens if I have, I'm going to make my own this time. What if I have 11 as my whole and 5 as my part? I'm going to count on, right? I still know that a part plus a part is a whole. I can subtract by starting with the greatest number, but I don't like to subtract. I like to count on. So I'm going to do 5 plus blank equals 11. And I know that this is a part plus a part equals the whole. So I'm going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my missing part is 6. Good job. And now we're going to go up to our place value. We're going to draw what that looks like if our number is 150. I have 5 tens and 0 ones. So if I'm going to draw what that looks like, that means I have one group of 100. I have 5 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. So one group of 100 and 5 tens and nothing in my ones. So if I want to show 10 more than 150, I'm going to come over here, grab a different color. Okay. If I want to show 10 more, all I need to do is draw another, oops, but Mrs. Sanders broke her own rule. I need to draw another 10 in my tens place, but I like to line it up like a group of, like a 10 frame. So now I have one group of 100. That stayed the same. Now I have 6 tens and my ones stayed the same. So I have 0 ones. Okay. If I have 150, I'm going to go back here, take that away. There's 150, and I want to show 10 less, then all I need to do is take away one group of 10, right? Then I still have one group of 100. I have 4 tens and 0 ones. Good. All right, so we're going to go up to even and odd. This is the number 150. Remember, every time we look at even and odd, we always have to look to the ones place, and that ones place has nada. Nada, nada, nadita, right? So if I don't have anything to draw, let's see. If I have 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this is a group of 10, right? Because there are 5 tens, so it's actually showing like 50, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, and then here's 50, okay? So I'm going to circle my ones in partners. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, and everybody had a partner. So is my number even or odd? Even Steven, right? Even Steven has a friend. And the number before 150, here is 100, 5 tens, 0 ones. What comes before? Let's see if I count backwards from 10. 10, 9. Oh, I would need to have 9 in the ones place. Okay, so I would need to have a 9 here in the ones place. But that means that my tens place has to go down one number, right? So if I have 5 tens, now right here I need 4 tens and one group of 100. So I have 149, 150. If my number is, 150, and I need to know what comes next, it's the number in the ones place is going to change. 150, 151. Okay? All right, we're going to sing our coin song. A penny equals 1 cent. This is a penny. I'm going to write 1. Okay, 1 cent. 1 cent. A penny equals 1 cent. A nickel, here it is, equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. And that makes sense to me. Oops, that silly thing, cents. And that makes sense to me. So the dime goes there, the penny goes there, and the nickel goes straight across. All right, we are done for the number 150. Starting to get faster and faster. We're doing great. Go back over here. Bye.